This is Tornado, the eco-friendly space heater and oil diffuser with a mesmerizing spinning flame, designed to provide a zero-emission and cost-effective solution for warming and scenting both your indoor and outdoor spaces. This spinning flame is the result of careful design and engineering. Inside, the natural thermal lift of the flame synergizes with Tornado's terracotta structure, accelerating and rotating the air. This effect boosts the flame flow by an astounding 500% as compared to normal bioethanol fireplaces. Fueled by eco-friendly bioethanol, Tornado not only reduces your heating bills, but is kind to our planet. Enhanced with ceramic wool, it absorbs and gradually releases fuel, ensuring optimal efficiency and safety. Within just 5 minutes, the special terracotta construction warms up, radiating a cozy warmth throughout the room. But there's more. Crafted to enhance and guide air currents, it ensures that Tornado's essential oils, when mixed with bioethanol, fill the environment rapidly and infuse your surrounding with alluring scents. Step into the heart of Italy, where age-old tradition meets innovation. Each Tornado is handcrafted with precision and passion, available in different colors to suit your home. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, Tornado brings warmth and elegance wherever you desire. Back us now on Kickstarter at half the price.